Hi, my name is Norma and welcome to my Resurge Weight Loss Review. Today, I am going to share with you my Resurge Weight Loss Supplement Review. Resurge is an anti-aging solution that supports natural weight loss. It speeds up your metabolic functioning so the challenge you encounter with weight loss melts. And you shed weight effectively even after having passed a certain age. Resurge can help you in many ways. You can expect to sleep better and lose more weight with consistent and correct use of this supplement. In addition, the gears of your metabolism also change into their active mode. The formula promotes metabolic regeneration to be fast and in action instead of slow and sluggish. The nutrients in this supplement encourage deep sleep so you can say goodbye to restless nights. The solution promotes fat melting as a result of accelerating metabolism. How does Resurge work for weight loss? Resurge have various aspects of working inside the body. 1. Resurge contains HCA, which helps control your hunger and increase immunity. 2. It also contains BHB, which is an important extract that can decrease weight by producing lots of ketone in the body. 3. Resurge has forxolin, which is also useful for controlling hunger packs. 4. It has green tea, which is a type of antioxidant that release lots of toxins from the body. 5. Lastly, it also contains lemon, which is another important ingredient for removing wastage from the body. Resurge is really a superb product for weight loss. It does not only help you lose weight but also helps improve your immune system.